In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make an awesome progress donut chart like what you see right here. So whenever you update your progress towards your goal, the donut chart will update and the numbers will as well. So to make this chart, you're going to have 4 key values. One is your progress, which is where you're at within your goal. One is the goal itself, so let's just say it's $5,000 to $15,000. The third is the percent finished, so how far along are you with your goal, which is just basically the progress of your total goal. And the last one is the percent unfinished, which is the 1 minus the percent that you're finished. Next, you're going to make a donut chart by highlighting the percent finished and percent unfinished and going to insert and then recommend the charts. Going to want to go to all charts and going to want to enter a donut chart by going all the way down to a pie chart and clicking on the donut option on the right. And now we're going to format this to make it a progress chart. So first we're going to want to go to the insert tab. We're going to want to insert a text box. And we're going to throw it in right here in the center of the chart. We're going to just do equals, so go to the formula bar, do equals, and then the percent finished. And now the text box is linked to the percent finished cell right here. And to format this to make it look like a progress chart, we're going to want to change the fill of the percent unfinished to be something that's kind of light and subtle, like a light gray right here. Now, if this happens to work both fills, just double click on the one that you want to not be the percent unfinished, right click on it, go to fill, and then have it be whatever color you want. Let's just say it's dark green, for example. And from here, we're going to want to make this text a bit bigger. So let's just say you want this to be 25 or even 35, for example. They just call it 20. They just call it 30. And then from here, we're going to want to then delete the piece right here, so legend entry. Click on it, just press delete. So it blows out a bit more, so you just see the chart. And then lastly, we can remove the border of the chart by clicking on the chart, right-clicking on it, click outline, and then click on no outline. And we're going to center this over here by just clicking on the text box and moving it around towards the center of the chart, like so. And we're going to rename the chart title goal progress, so chart title. You can make it pop a bit more by changing the fonts to be black by going to the Home tab and clicking on Automatic Black right there, and making it bold by pressing Control B. Now we have a progress chart where whenever you change the value from, let's say, $5,000 to $17,000 or to $7,000, the text changes and the bar changes as well. $14,000, the goal is almost done. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.